Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This stunning looking Volkswagen Touareg large SUV is available here in the sporty R-Line trim. Powered by a 3-litre TDI V6 engine with full motion all-wheel drive technology, it's the perfect car for the year round. Finished here in the optional deep black pearlescent paint, it looks great from every angle, featuring automatic bi-xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights and a large front grille with contrasting chrome accents around the front. As part of our Motor Match program, the car will benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty to give you additional peace of mind. Prominent R-Line badging will be available, as well as these large silver alloy wheels which will really stand out against the deep black colour. For extra convenience and added practicality, you'll be pleased to know the boot space is power operated and when it's open looks absolutely cavernous, offering the option of a 40-20-40 split seats. And also, just in case, there is an inflatable space saver spare wheel on offer. Whilst closing the boot simply requires a quick press of a button, which will automatically retract it and close it down. In the rear you'll also find LED tail lights too. Inside, upgraded Vienna leather upholstery is available with a comfy cabin for up to 3 passengers. 2 ISOFIX shut anchor points, center armrest with cup holders will be available, and the upgraded 2-zone climate control system is also available for the rear passengers so they're not feeling left out. Easy to operate via the rotary dials, there are plenty of controls. Moving to the front, decorative door and dash inserts are available with a stunning sliding panoramic roof which will let in plenty of natural light inside the cabin. Front seats will also offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort and feature electric heated adjustment, and there's even a 3-way memory function with electric lumbar support so you can get really comfortable for all those long and short distance journeys as well. Once in the driver's seat, the driver can fully enjoy a leather-wrapped multifunction 3-spoke steering wheel, operating the part digital color infotainment cluster up ahead, offering volume controls, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Satellite navigation mapping can be displayed directly ahead of you, whilst the car offers AM, FM and the DAB digital radio receptions. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and operating vehicle functions as well as numerous assistants to keep you and your occupants safe. In the center of the screen, also easy to use infotainment functionality will offer a heated steering wheel as well as heated front seats. It's incredibly easy to operate thanks to the large buttons and clear HD graphics. Moving down, easy to use 2-zone climate control system in the front with 3-stage heated seats I mentioned earlier as well. Moving down the cabin, easy to use DSG dual clutch automatic gearbox will add to the convenience, as well as keyless entry and start is available. The car comes with a fully customizable 4-wheel drive system for both on-road and off-road modes, as well as large cup holders. The deep center armrest offers lots of storage solutions with built-in media inputs as well as USB connectors so you can keep your devices topped up with battery at all times. The panoramic roof can also be easily operated with an electronic sunshade blind which can be hidden or operated, and also open the glass roof. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.